How you doing, ma'am? You went over that line, you know that?
I was what?
You went way over that line, and you actually almost got into an accident with two.
Right here?
Oh yes, ma'am. And then two, that plate with the plate
cover. Yes. I'm sorry,
yes,
you can't see it.
Yes, ma'am.
I just bought this camera. This is my little babies.
These your kids right here?
This is my little brother.
Little buddy.
This is my little cousin.
Okay. Ma'am, just real quick, any weapons in the car?
It shouldn't be, no.
It shouldn't be. It should be okay.
We just left from my sister.
Okay.
It shouldn't be. Okay. Catch your license real quick.
License. I don't have a license. I have an ID.
ID. Okay.
Now, ma'am, I can't hear you. Do you mind turning the car off?
Yes, I can.
Ma'am, I really appreciate you.
Mm-hmm.
ID card. Okay. Okay.
Let me roll all the windows down, baby.
Yes, ma'am, if you could. You said you're not sure if of any weapons, right?
Not that I know of.
Okay.
I don't.
No
I'm not
problem.
carrying nothing. Do y'all have any weapons in here? Please let them know, bro. I don't.
Are you cool if we check, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
All
All right, go
Hop out. You gonna hop out, ma'am?
Me?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yeah. Keep both hands up for me. Appreciate you. Nothing in that purse, right?
Nothing.
Bit up, bit up. Hey, bit up. Do solid. Just keep both hands right here, all right? Appreciate you. You nervous? Huh? You sure? All right, man. Go step right here for me.
Okay.
Keep right here.
Yeah.
Keep them up, all right? Don't move. Don't move. I said don't move, right? All right, go on, step out. Keep your hands up. Keep them up. Keep them up. Untense up.
Chill.
Untense your arms, bro. Come on. Hey, dog. Chill out. You finna get tased, bro. Chill out. Stop. You finna get tased, bro.
You finna get
Hey, show me your hands! Show me your hands!
Hands! Get the fuck on the ground. .42-15 shots fired. East 7 Mile Gratiot. East 7 Mile Gratiot.
Hey, show me your hands! Show me your hands!
Hands! Get the fuck on the ground. It ain't for me. No, not for me. You went way over that line, and you actually only got into an accident too. Yes, ma'am. And then two, that plate cover. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Man, just real quick, any weapons in the car? It should be. Oh, it should be. Okay. Okay, it should be. Okay, that's real quick. ID. Okay. Now, ma'am, I can't hear you. Do my shit in the car. Ma'am, I really appreciate you. ID card. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Ain't my fault.
You said you're not sure of any weapons.
Not that I know of. I don't.
What about you?
I'm not carrying.
She said she don't know your weapons.
Do y'all have any weapons in here? Please let them know, bro. I don't.
Are you cool if we check, ma'am?
Yes, you can do it, baby.
Gonna hop out?
Gonna hop out, man.
Me?
Yes.
The needles don't even like that. You're diabetic. Lighter.
Go and step up. Keep your hands up. Keep them up. Hands up.
Hey, boss. Chill out.
Chill out. You get paid. Hey, what?
You good, man? Chill out.
Stop.
You finna get
Hey, bro.
Am I fucking
Hey, my man.
Hey, show me your hands. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Get the fuck out of here.
Gratiot stuff on right now. Hurry up.
You got shots fired.
For real? For real?
Who's trying to play your bitch?
For real? You said my own.
You hit? Are you hit?
Yes.
Where?
I don't know.
Shots fired by us.
What the fuck is this?
Yeah.
Ow, my arm. Come on, bro.
Go ahead, man.
Just for you guys' knowledge, DPOA president is in Rockland.